Making it all the way from beach to mountains in a temporary fit without touching the color yellow. Alright, so we can't touch the color yellow, which might be a bit hard because all this is classed as yellow. So let's just go here. Alright, you seen nothing. Anyways. God damn it. Right. Oh wait guys, I forgot to mention, every time the map changes, the color changes with it. And now we can't touch the color green. Okay, yeah, that's not gonna be easy. Okay, so just go here, and then here, and then here. Wait, hold on, this might be easier than I thought. Just a bit easier than I thought. Oh! As I said a second ago, you've seen nothing. Somebody else joined. What's wrong with people joining? Now I can't touch the color light grey. Phew, that was hard. Use F9. Alright, now the map is changing. I can't touch the color blue. Alright. Everybody, we gotta be careful over there.